Okay, we're back to town again. It's been so long we're waiting for the parts, the boots. Then we're waiting for 2 weeks, I think. So now the mechanics, Kuya Nestor, just gave me a message that the boots is already available. So we already have the boots. That is why we're here and bring the car so he can replace new boots. There's Kuya Nestor there waiting.
Good.
Oh, that's the boot. Very good. We're back. Finish. Okay. Kuya Nestor did a good job. Finally, he already replaced rubber boots all. So I'm going to knock the wood. Knocking the wood, and now we're buying water here. Buying water, our drinking water. We're back home.
Oh, good. That's all taken care of. Like I said, now about the last thing is tires.
Finish fixing the boots, rubber boots. Oh, there's no school here anymore.
Yeah, they must be out for Christmas already. Wow.
Yeah. So early.
See, we only got the week of Christmas and the week of New Year's, and it falls in the middle of the week. Well,
There's another new building there.
New classroom.
Another additional room.
You want to stop here at all?
Yeah. Just to follow up.
And then he sold out after I quit.
Okay, we're home. Oops. It's like Lando is not around.
Well, it's 12:20.
Just arrived from town. So everything fixed now. Thanks to Kuya Nestor.
Yeah, we're back in business again.
We treat him so good. Thanks.
Yeah, we're back in business again.
Okay.
More repairs on the truck.
Bye.
Pilot.